In this video, let us try to understand how to find the value of trigonometric function at 2 pi minus x. So 2 pi minus x would be in the fourth quadrant. So we'll understand why sine of 2 pi minus x is minus sin x, cos of 2 pi minus x is cos x, and tan of 2 pi minus x is minus tan x. So let's get started. Let us consider a unit circle with center O. Let P be a point with coordinates a, b, where a is cos x and b is sin x. Let Q be a point on the circle in the fourth quadrant, which creates an angle of 2 pi minus x. So we have to find the trigonometric functions at 2 pi minus x. So before we do that, let us try to find the angle formed by the arc AQ. So how do we find that out? So if we subtract the arc formed by AQ from the entire circle, we would get the arc or the angle formed by the arc AQ. So AQ is equal to 2 pi, which is the entire angle in a circle, minus 2 pi minus x. So AQ would also be equal to x. So this angle is also equal to x, but the measurement is in opposite direction. So this is minus x. So when an angle is measured in clockwise direction, it is minus x, and when the angle is measured in anti-clockwise direction, it is positive x or positive angle. Now we know the required angles. From this, what we observe is Q is an image of P. But only difference is Q is in the fourth quadrant and P is in the first quadrant. So in the fourth quadrant, we have A, minus B as the coordinates, because in the fourth quadrant, x coordinate is positive and the y coordinate is negative. So we would have sine of 2 pi minus x is equal to minus sin x, because it is minus b, and cos of 2 pi minus x is cos x, because the x coordinate, which is a, is positive. Now tan of 2 pi minus x would be sine of 2 pi minus x divided by cos of 2 pi minus x, which is minus tan x, because one of the values is negative. In this case, it is sine. So this is how we can find trigonometric functions at 2 pi minus x. Please like the video and share it with your friends so that it's easy for them too. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.